Pull-ups with a neutral grip. Lift your body by flexing your elbow, concentrating on bringing your chest toward the bar. Gently stretch your back, shoulder, and arm after completing the exercise. This is a warm-up exercise to engage back muscle perfectly. Starting the first exercise from the low cable bent over row. At the apex of the movement, ensure that your elbow is positioned close to your side and the handle is near your hip. This maximizes the engagement of the lats and surrounding muscle. Optimize the benefits of the exercise.